5 minutes to mindless behavior. Yes,
it's my dad's event. I'm proud of him. He always does it real big. DBS, we representing.
As you can see, it's kind of crazy. As you can see, it's kind of crazy up here at DBS Sounds in Riverdale, man. That's how we do. You know, it's real music, you know, real people, real record stores where people come in and actually buy CDs and stuff like that now. See my man Tobago back there getting it together. We got the police on hand, 50651 one time. With my man Ricardo Spicer, writer, producer from Interscope Records, Universal, the whole nine. We in the building, man. We got my daughter right here. You got me in the building. It's superstar status all over, man.
Hey.
Stay for that. 1, 2.
Let's say your name loud so they can hear you.
You excited? She what?
She saw him.
Oh.
You saw Ray.
Did you touch him? Which one you like?
Here, let me take a picture of y'all.
Oh.
Stop falling.
Oh.
Take a picture together. Here. Put your hand down.
Say I love you, Ray Ray. Which one is Ray Ray? Oh. Did he sign it for you?
Look, man, it's pandemonium out here. These little boys' mindless behavior got Riverdale on lock right now. We at DBS Sounds. My man Tobago's in the back, Mom's in the back, everybody back there. It's your boy Dave Tyler, a minute largest in the building. Forever, always got to make that claim. Look at all these people out here. Look at all these people out here. Hey, they used to do that for us too back in the day, but it's all good.
Y'all ready? They're in there waiting on you. You ready?
I couldn't look at him, and then I was looking at Kristen. He was like, Kristen was talking about like, hi. And when I got done signing me, I couldn't take it. I was like, they wouldn't let us get a hug. They wouldn't let you get a hug.
They wouldn't let you get a hug?
I am the oldest fan, the #1 fan. Girl, yes I am. I am 46 years old.
Uh-oh.
I am the oldest fan. Yes, and I'm not proud, and I'm happy to say it. I love the boys.
Thanks DBS Sound for having us. Mindless behavior, MB.
Who shook your hand?
She was like, I'm so happy to be back. I was like,
We in 6610 Highway, we in Riverdale off Highway 85. Come on out and check us out at DBS Sounds. Not just for this event, but all the time. You gotta support black music, support black business, and support these black groups. You feel me? Mindless behavior? Get crazy one time right now. That's international music right here in Atlanta, the heart of Atlanta, Riverdale, man. It's going down. It's your boy Dave Tolliver again. Black Paparazzi, minute largest in the building. You already know, man. I'm out here. This is my second job right now. Mindless behavior over here. Look at all these people out here. Look at that. That's pandemonium. That's right. It's going down, man. We at DBS Sounds, man. Make sure you get your CD and your DVD today. Yeah.
DBS Sounds Mooch is tired, had a long day. We just wrapped up Mindless Behavior meet and greet. Had over 1,000 kids out there, hot, sweaty, but we did it for the kids. DBS Sounds, Mindless Behavior, Mooch.